Tired of being broke, you need to flip or buy and hold. Clocking in and out, your 9 to 5 is getting old. JD Boom and AC Cash, they known to get the bag. You can make your own schedule, know you liking that. Time to take the next step, take your money, invest. Know you just got that check, go sign up with J-Tech. Yeah.
Fellas, you hear the buzz in the street?
Yeah.
They say crypto is dead. It's screaming. Hey, Pivot Point Investors, we got to talk about whether crypto is dead, guys.
Is it dead?
I don't know. Hi, I'm AC Cash, and this is
Jay the Technician.
And this is
JD Boom.
We're here on behalf of Pivot Point Investors, where we help the average investor grow his nest egg. And today, we're talking crypto. We're talking crypto because, man, the market's been doing a lot of action.
And actually more of this.
That action than this action. And so, some people are saying it's dead. Is crypto dead?
Yeah, that's a great question.
Okay, so to start it off, we got crypto talk. We got crypto genius, Mr.
Hey.
JD Boom, talk to me.
I'm gonna tell you, man. Look, it's crazy right now. We look at these numbers, man. Like the big three, if we gonna call them of the big six, right? We'll take the biggest one. Bitcoin. It's more than 50% drop. So the high was over 63,000 a coin. Right now it's a little bit over 29,000.
Okay, that's
a big drop.
That's a big drop. What percent?
More than 50%.
More than 50%.
Yeah.
That's big. If your money's out there and it drops 50%, that'll
You're
get
the
your
wrong
attention.
direction, right?
Okay.
Right. So then we got the next one, Ethereum, which is actually a cleaner, more user-friendly version coin, right? A lot of banks are using to pay, kind of stuff. So Ethereum was a little bit over 4,100 a coin. $4,100.
Almost $4,200.
Yep.
Okay.
And right now it's about 1,700, a little bit more than that. So
okay, almost 1,800.
Correct.
About 55% decline.
55% decline.
Okay, all right.
And
Say that's two of the big the big ones.
I'm gonna just
I gotta go to the right on that Doge. Talk to me about Dogecoin.
And you know what? I get another moment on record next to my man
That's why I'm
JD
trying to pull
Boom.
it away.
I just want to say it real quick.
Do we have time to?
No, we have time. They're gonna give me at least 10 seconds, about 5 seconds to shine back. I told you so.
Man.
I told them. Anyway, so Dogecoin presented a major high. May 8th, 2021, our good friend Elon Musk came on and just tried to represent Dogecoin on Saturday Night Live. It went to 74 cents.
74 cents. Big bucks for Dogecoin.
Who you telling? Man, not even 60 days later, this thing is at 17 cents.
17 cents. That's what kind of percent?
80%.
Okay.
Don't be so excited.
This decline is almost unbelievably beautiful for a wonderful hedger as myself.
So Tech been talking about that, huh?
Man, I've been bear hugging this thing all the way. Bear hugging.
All right. That's why you got to follow people who follow the market. In this doggone crypto market, you need to follow somebody, or you're gonna be holding on to the tail. Dog be way up the street.
That's right.
That's what's that? The tail wagging the dog. That's going. So, is crypto dead? So, what's the consensus? Are we dead? Should we get out of it? Don't mess with it? What's happening?
I think at this point you gotta wait and see. Wait and see because the causes. I mean, like when you look at the causes, number one cause is China, crypto banning, mining and everything. I mean,
China is banning crypto mining.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So that means, what does that mean?
Well, I mean, in short, it just means that we cannot waste any of their resources or powers to mine for more coins, to create more coins so that we can trade back and forth.
So when it's out of China, where did it go to?
It went to Malaysia.
Went to Malaysia. Oh, and that was going pretty good until what?
Until the government said, hey, y'all still in power, millions of dollars in energy for this illegal mining.
Right.
And they just said, hey, we're just going to steamroll.
Literally steamroll. We got to show a picture of that. With 1,600 of these, they call them rigs, these mining rigs, they flattened them out.
Yeah.
And so now it's leaving Malaysia.
Absolutely.
What's another country that's banning?
Ukraine.
Ukraine, our friends in the Ukraine.
Ukraine hit a
Okay.
major operation. They seized 3,800 PlayStation 4s.
Okay.
A lot of people-
You
lot
felt
of
personal
people-
about that, huh?
It kind of touched my heart for a minute, fellow gamers out there. When you was wondering where them consoles were, the Ukrainians had it.
Ukrainians.
And, you know, it was a bit of a shock because we was like, wow, someone actually did get innovative enough to use the graphics cards out of the game systems to be doing mining for them.
Okay.
They did use it for other purposes, but that main thing alone was illegal. Plus the amount of power they stole, so that had to go too.
Okay, so all of that happened. So we're saying, oh man, it's dropping in the markets. Now we got the governments are cracking down on the other countries' ability to mine and to trade in these coins.
Yeah.
So now what does that leave us with? What is that looking like?
Well, it's the vacuum that's creating like the announcement of the digital dollar by the Fed. And so
digital
they're
dollar.
working on that and talking about it and how do they take one of these Ethereum-based coins and craft a little digital dollar out of it.
All right, steal a little game and stop all this printing.
Yeah,
Make it digital. So that's what they're talking
But then
about.
the thing is, how does that affect banks? When each of us could get a Federal Reserve account, we can go straight to the Fed. We can get all the money we want from the Fed. What does that leave banks?
Okay, well, all that's up in the air, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we don't have no concrete stamps to
No,
put on
no,
that.
no.
Hey, but speaking of stamps, I know everybody has subscribed to
subscribe.
this point. I know
They got
they're not
to,
playing
yeah.
with us.
Of
And what
course.
else they gonna do? They're gonna share
No,
with a friend.
share.
This
Yeah,
guy.
this guy.
Mr.
He always
Selfish.
got it, yeah.
Mr. Selfish. That's okay.
I'm
You
telling you.
You share that knowledge. It's important because we're arguing, we're discussing whether crypto is dead.
That's
and are we saying it's dead?
No.
No.
Okay, so we're not saying it's dead, but we are saying buyer beware.
Buyer beware.
So we put a hold on it right now.
Absolutely.
Now-
Because even some of our members hit us up today, me and J-Tech, and they was asking, hey, you know, should we buy some crypto right now? And what we're saying is across the board in general, right? There might be one or two that we say, okay, this one and this one is cool. But in general, we're saying hold what you got right now.
What you got?
Because in investing, there is a term called catching a falling knife. And you never want to catch a falling knife because you can cut yourself.
Okay, so we got them taking it easy on that.
Oh.
So are there some indicators we're looking for? What's a bottom we're looking for on Bitcoin?
Well, in Bitcoin, we're looking for a bottom, realistically at 22,000. That would be the
22,000.
real bottom.
Okay.
So
We're
you're
hovering
saying
around
7,000 away from where we are right
Yeah,
now.
anything past 22, then we will definitely be having a totally different talk about this.
Okay, so
But-
keeping the ball rolling,
Yeah.
we're looking at Ethereum. What kind of numbers are we saying? Okay, maybe we look at it.
Ethereum is going to probably stabilize around $1,400 because that's actually where it was for a very long time and pretty much stayed very steady. So
Okay.
I mean, overall, it's not like we're saying it's dead where you can't invest in it. We're just saying if you are planning on making money, whether you want to be a day trader or a swing time trader, you're not going to see it right now. It's just not right now.
And we covered Dogecoin, so we need to kind of understand what are we looking at if we're going to jump back in or do any movement on it.
I'm just going to keep saying the Doge is dead out.
Doge is dead. Okay, so you're
I
saying
don't share that. I
RIP on
don't
the
share
Doge.
that. Yeah, I don't share that same
Okay.
sentiment.
Well, that's-
Because you still got,
No.
you know, one of the top 2 richest men in the world that still backs it. You got Baby Doge, which has come about, and so it's a derivative of Doge.
secondary stuff.
Yeah, but I'm saying, meme is interesting. It's still a lot of, you know, buzz and fanfare with it. So,
Okay.
I mean, I think this one could go to 12 cents a coin and still be, you know,
Man, we're
in
talking
a buy
pennies
zone.
on something that's worthless.
And it's not worthless because
Well,
there's
let's say
intrinsic value.
useless.
It's
Okay.
not as useful.
All right.
Right.
No, wait, let's get this clear. 'Cause we shouldn't spend
It
time.
has no application use.
No.
Okay.
If it goes away tomorrow, outside of the investors, that's important. The world doesn't miss it what it used to do in the street.
Won't go
That's
sleep.
correct.
Okay.
That's
Take
correct.
away oatmeal cookies. A lot of people are gonna be sad.
Yeah.
Cookie
Yeah.
Monster gonna be mad.
Yeah.
You take away Dogecoin.
It's just
Yeah.
gone.
Okay.
Y'all just got me with some real technicality. That's fine.
Hey, however we got to bring them to the reality's table. That's what we're gonna do. Hey, that's what we're talking about, though. We're talking about is crypto dead. We're talking about those other countries stamping out cryptocurrency for now, saying, hey, we're not playing that game. And so you should watch your money as equally hard as these other governments are.
Yeah.
So again, is it dead?
No.
Do we have indicators where we say, yeah, we should play in the market again?
No, not right now.
Not right now.
Well, we have numbers that
we have,
look for.
right.
And I'm going to call that an indicator.
Okay.
If the number hits.
Yeah, if the number hits, then absolutely.
Now don't go out and play the number,
Nah.
talking about waiting for our number to hit.
That's a whole different conversation.
That's a different thing.
But just like with the digital dollar, that thing comes, what all the rappers that have money up their arms and holding money to their ears gonna do then? Like, what's the...
They're going to put their coins and stuff, show their computers.
Hey, look at what I got.
Each cell phone holds a certain amount, so you just hold a side of cell phone.
That's a different rap video.
That's a whole different. That's a whole different.
Yeah, that's gonna be different. Because when you start throwing them bands, what you gonna throw? Chips.
Plastic coins. Plastic coins.
How did the adult entertainers?
That's a whole nother conversation.
Okay, I just. Hey, that's a
maybe
rap
they
though.
just take your card at the door.
Yeah, hey, I'm saying.
And then take your money.
But then how does she know though? Like,
well, she probably has a little tally sheet.
She got a wristband or something?
She can see beep, beep, beep. Okay, JD's paid up. Give him another one.
Oh, man.
The future has so much promise. It's incredible. So, hey, that's what we're doing. We're talking about crypto. We're trying to see if it's dead. We're trying to see how the adult entertainment industry is going to be able to put out this money if we all go digital. So these complex things we are covering here at Pivot Point Investors.
A lot to think about.
I know. We're going to leave it right there. We're going to let them go with that. And we'll talk about this AMC and all that other stuff on the next round.
Oh, yeah.
That's
We
good?
got a whole bunch to talk about with
Too
that.
much to talk about. We'll talk about this real estate. Oh, I can't find nothing.
Still can't find that.
There you go. The song continues. But hey, here at Pivot Point Investors, we advocate getting your information from trusted sources. Okay? So share with a friend and leave a comment below. If you have any questions related to cryptocurrency, real estate, stock investment, give us a question. We'll be sure to answer it. So if we're good.
And always, more money, more money, more money.
So stick around if that's what you want for your life. More money. Good?
We good? Yeah.
You good?
Yep.
Hey, I'm AC Cash. This is
Jay the Technician.
And this is
JD. Boom!
Hey, while we help you get more money and teach you about this cryptocurrency, stay smart and be safe. Take care.